Hi, we are here with the company Hylio and Joseph. So he was showing me these amazing drones for agriculture. Can you tell us a little bit more about the reach and how these ones operate?
Yeah, sure thing. So they're meant to fly autonomously. 80% of the work that the customer is going to be doing is setting up the field and details of swath width, the dosage rate, how fast they want it to fly. And from there, all they'd have to do is send the drone out and it sprays automatically. You have an option that we went over of empty tank sensor. So as soon as the drone senses that tank is empty, it's going to automatically come back and land. And that's when you just refill the tank, replace the battery, and send it back out.
Well, thank you so much. And then you were mentioning what is the area and how long it would take to reach that area?
Yeah, so typically the broadcast speed is somewhere between, I want to say 16 or so miles an hour to make sure you get good coverage. But the ferry speed that you can set is up to 30 miles an hour, so we can get out there pretty quick.
Okay, well, thank you so much, and then have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.